Rainforest. So one of the commonalities between India and Australia is that they both have rainforests. So if we look at this world map, we have India here, and you can see the red marked there for its tropical areas. Also Australia here on the northeast, it's got the tropical areas, and you'll see that there's other places in our world that has tropical climates, and that they lie in between and around the equator line, between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. These invisible lines literally mark out the most intense areas where the sunlight always hits. Okay, so there's never any, like winter. It's not seasonal. It's consistently the same temperature all the time. Okay. So that's what makes it a tropical climate. So rainforests are very dense. They're warm, they're wet forests, and there are millions of plants and incredible ones at that, as well as animals. So let's look inside a rainforest. So these are two photographs of different parts of rainforest. What do you notice about the plants in the two different photographs? Are they different colours? Are the plants different sizes? Have some got trunks? Have some got stems? And they have different kinds of leaves? What are you thinking? It's because they have different layers in the rainforest. So a rainforest can be split into different layers, and I'm going to talk to you about those now. They're different because the amount of light and water each layer receives. So we'll talk about that in just a moment, but basically the tops of some trees act like little umbrellas and prevent the plants on the floor getting the water and the sunlight. So here are our layers. We have an emergent layer, the tallest of our trees in the rainforest, up to 70 meters tall. Leafy crowns, and they're spread out, and lots of sunlight can touch these leaves. The canopy layer, this second layer down, it's a very dense leafy layer, so really good hiding places for animals. About 40 meter tall, the trees. Lots of branches can spread out. We've got an understory, which is literally, you have your branches and it's literally the underneath of those branches. It's very leafy, bushy, small trees intertwined, lots of vines. It's quite dark and hot, muggy in that area. And then we've got our forest floor at the bottom there. So a nice carpet where we have lots of dead leaf matter that fall from the trees. It's very shady, not much sunlight and not much rain either, but it is very warm. So we obviously have lots of different animals in our rainforest, and actually from our continents and our countries, the types of animals slightly vary as well. So in Australia, you might get a cassowary or you might get a tree kangaroo. In India, you might get a Bengal tiger, for instance. So very, very different types of animals. But the animals in the rainforest, they might be hunter-killers. They might have developed a way to disguise or warn their predators, or as a defense mechanism. They might have special patterns as a camouflage, or again, they might have special patterns that are vivid colors to warn away those predators. Some have hidden dangers as well. They might have poison, either as a defense again, or to actually kill their prey.